Welcome back, friends, dear students. Here I am applying that beautiful shape options on the image, guys. We could draw a wonderful and an awesome shape on the image pictures, and that is their outline. So I have to choose that one outline, and now I have to choose that one borders on the image. And guys, that border have been chosen, and here I could make its duplicate. And guys, here we could draw any other shape on it. Like these are the abstract shapes, these are the sliced, and these are the other ones. So guys, from these other ones we could also draw an awesome shape on the image, like that one. And I have uploaded